Alright friends, in this session we will explore function polymorphism. So a single function behaves differently based on the type of the data which is given. So for example, a function like len works with multiple data types. It performs a different task depending on whether it's a string, list, dictionary, etc. Let's use it. I delete all and then inside my print function I write my len function. So inside the len I write my name. So what will happen if I run it? You see, it counts the number of characters in a string because John is a string here. Super. If we use len function with a list, let's do it. I define languages, and then I open my square brackets. First language is C and second C++, and then third one JavaScript or Java. It's okay. If I print it, you see inside the print function I use len function and I give my languages. I run it, you see 3 again. Right now this is a list. Language is a list. Len function counts the number of items in a list. You see, len function doesn't count the character in Java. These all are separate items and it counts the number of items in a list. So if we use len function with a dictionary, let's use it. I define count res and then I open my curly braces and then Germany. What's the capital of Germany? Is Berlin. It's my first keyword pair. And then Canada, and Ottawa. If I print here inside the len function, I give count res. I run it. You see 2 appears on the screen. Right now it counts the number of keys in a dictionary. You see, function also in Python programming behaves differently depending on data type. See you in the next lesson.